So in this video I will show you how to change your playlist on YouTube settings to make it available for everyone, or to hide it, or to make it only available with the link. So the design has recently changed, so the way to solve this problem is also changed. So we have to go to browser. I will use Google Chrome, and the next step is to go to youtube.com. Of course, be sure that you're logged in with your channel. So then the next step, we are just clicking on our icon right up here on the right corner and go to YouTube Studios. So recently there was a button in this menu like playlist or something like that, but now it isn't. So the all we have to do is just go to content page, click on it, and here we can find the videos, live streams, posts, and playlists. Today we need our playlist settings. So now we are on the playlist page, and then go to find the necessary playlist you want to change, or you want to hide, you want to publish it. For example, today I want to add this one. So find this button, edit on YouTube, click on it, and then as you can see we have a menu, huge menu here. So all we need to do is just change our settings here, just clicking right up here, and then choose the necessary variant if you want to make it public or unlisted or even private. Let's change it into private, for example. So now it's private and it's okay. We can refresh our page and you can see that it's still private. If we want to make it unlisted, so we click right up here, and to send someone the link or the playlist, we just need to click on this arrow, share, and just copy the link and send it to our friend. I hope it was useful for you.